Update on the diesel heater with that E06 F2 error code. Well, that's actually been solved earlier with a bracket piece and all. But just to let you all know, there's one thing you don't use, and it's one of these things. I picked it up at the dollar store. It says it's CSA whatever thing on this, but how can you believe something that they should get at the dollar store? But if you look at the metal inside, clearly you see it's a lot thinner. And see at the top there on the ground there, it's got that little split. Okay, well, I don't know if I can trust that kind of stuff because that's thin metal in there. And a error code E06 F2, which is usually says it's the motor fan open circuit. That's your open circuit right there. All it takes is one of these connections on the inside to get warm and expand, and it doesn't make that contact. That's all it takes is that short little second, and that will shut down your system, and you will have an E06 F2 error code. Garbage, do not use. Guys, let's go to this. And I've been running this for a while. So there's almost 3 hours and no shutdown. No E6 or E06 F2 code. Yeah. That's the thing. So what you want to do is you don't want to be using one of those. You want to plug it right in to the socket. I got this on a little small heater, and it works for the small heater, but this is a little bit more current that you're playing with. This one here won't even really heat up because it's only plugged. It's a 250 watt heater, which basically was only being used 170 watts, which is on the low end. So it really didn't affect anything, but you're using one of these charger power supplies, you're going to end up needing more hydro coming through, and it needs to be clear, current, clean contacts. So far, everything's running fine. So I won't be buying any more of those. No.